being able to see, touch, feel, and look at all the different options in person is much better than just being able to see it online.
The University of Arkansas has opened a new kiosk at the campus bookstore that hopes to make the graduation process easier. The interactive kiosk opened a few weeks ago and displays numerous information to help seniors with their impending graduations.
When they're coming in buying a Razorback shirt, or if they're going upstairs to get a textbook, they see the graduation center. Oh yeah, I need to pick up my regalia, or that's something I need to work towards.
The center includes brochures, merchandise samples, as well as the touchscreen technology system, which makes it easier than ever for customers.
Right over here, they can actually place their order. So let's say they decide they wanted to get a diploma frame. They can actually just come right here, touch the screen to begin, and then just order directly from the Jostens website. And it ends up being a very simple, streamlined process. It's the same website they use at home, but they have the ability right here to actually look, touch, and see some of the options that they'd be choosing.
With the new system, students can order class rings, official announcements, diploma frames, and graduation regalia all at the touch of their finger. With 2 graduation ceremonies each year, participation at the kiosk is expected to increase rapidly.
One of the biggest things that it'll do for us is just keep graduation on the forefront of students' minds, because that's really the main point of why not only the bookstore but the university is here.
Reporting for UATV, I'm Shelby Cox.